Let's try to learn how to read time without the help of an Apple Watch or an iPhone. A lot of people seem to freeze when the time isn't shown as regular numbers, so then they have to read the time for themselves on a clock. Don't worry though, it's really easy. So let's find out how. First, a clock has 12 numbers labeled around the edges. It goes from 1 to 12. To review basic time words, there are 60 seconds in 1 minute and 60 minutes in 1 hour. There are two hands on a clock. First is the smaller hand, called the hour hand. This will tell you the hours. Next is the bigger minute hand, and this will tell you the minutes. To tell the time, you have to first find the smaller hour hand. And then you have to read where the numbers are. So in this example, it's in between 10 and 11. But how do I find out if it's 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock? To answer that, all you have to do is ask yourself, okay, did the hour hand pass 10 o'clock yet? And the answer is yes. Did it pass 11 o'clock yet? No, because it's still close to the 10. So I think the hour is 10. Next is the minute hand. So each clock is divided into 60 minutes, and each number represents 5-minute intervals. So for example, at 12 o'clock it's 0 minutes, 1 it's 5 minutes, 2 it's 10 minutes, 3 is 15, and so on and so forth. Most clocks don't have the minutes labeled, but this one does, so it's really easy. In between each number are 5 lines, and each line represents 1 minute. So let's try to count to see if it matches. So let's start at 5, at the 1. So each line is 1 minute. So this one is 6 minutes, 7, 8, 9, 10. It matches. That's great. That means we're right. So what is the time on this clock right now? Well, let's see. Let's take a look at the hour hand. So we already said that it's close to the 10, and it already passed the 10. So the hour is 10. It hasn't reached 11 yet. Then, look at the minute hand. This one is on the 2, which is 10 minutes. So the time on this clock is 10, 10. But that's pretty easy. Let's see if we can make it a little harder. Let's try to spin the clock around and see if we can tell the time even though we just played around with it and chose a random time. So the Wheel of Fortune begins. And stop. Okay, let's see. Where are we? What time is it? First, you always want to find the hour hand, which is the smaller hand. Okay, so it's in between 1 and 2. But let's ask ourselves, has it passed the 1 or the 2? In this one, it has already passed the 1. It hasn't reached the 2 yet, so the hour is 1. Then, let's take a look at the minutes, the bigger minute hand. So this one is in between 6 and 7. And on a clock, 6 is 30 minutes, 7 is 35 minutes, and each line is 1 minute. So let's try to count from 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. And we have our answer, 34 minutes. So what's the time on this clock? I think it is 1:34. So that's all you need to know how to read a clock. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe for more content. I always post free English lessons for everyone to learn, and I'm really excited to hear what you guys have to say. Until next time, see you later, guys.